Welcome to an extraordinary escape where luxury meets comfort, the Hotel Delphin Diva Premiere, a proud gem nestled along the stunning coastline of Antalya, Turkey. This five-star resort, recognized for its superior hospitality and breathtaking views, promises an experience like no other. Located in the vibrant Lara district, the Hotel Delphin Diva Premiere is perfectly situated just 12 kilometers from Antalya's bustling city center and only 10 kilometers from the airport. Whether you're looking to explore the rich culture of the region or simply unwind on the soft sandy beaches, this exquisite location serves as your gateway to both adventure and relaxation. Immerse yourself in a world of luxury, featuring not just one, but 5 stunning swimming pools. This hotel features an impressive pool cleaner designed for maximum efficiency. It effortlessly removes dirt, debris, and algae, keeping the pools crystal clear. Thanks to its smart navigation system, it thoroughly cleans every corner, letting guests relax and soak up the sun worry-free. Experience the luxury of pristine pools at this stunning resort. The beach is a true haven of tranquility and beauty. With golden sands meeting the sparkling turquoise Mediterranean, our beachfront is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Whether you're lounging under a palm tree, building sandcastles with your kids, or taking a refreshing dip in the inviting waves, this stunning setting is ideal for creating unforgettable memories. Get ready for unforgettable moments at the pool and vibrant parties at Hotel Delphin Diva Premiere. Dive into excitement with lively pool shows featuring talented performers who will dazzle you with their captivating acts. From exhilarating dance routines to stunning acrobatics and interactive games, there's never a dull moment. Let's dive into the splashes of fun at the water park and water slide area. This exciting water park is perfect for families and thrill seekers alike, offering a variety of exhilarating water slides that will get your heart racing. Kids can enjoy a variety of activities, games, and crafts all day. With arts, crafts, and interactive games, there's something for every adventurer. Our trained staff ensures safety, allowing parents to relax while kids make new friends. The Kids Club is where fun and friendship thrive. Kids can dive into the splash zone, packed with interactive features, while parents relax nearby. From thrilling slides to the leisurely lazy river, there's fun for everyone. Create unforgettable memories in this exciting water playground designed for family enjoyment. Welcome to the Mini Children's Amusement Park at Hotel Delphin Diva Premiere. This charming park offers young adventurers thrilling rides and playful activities designed just for them. From colorful attractions to fun-filled games, it's the perfect spot for kids to burn off some energy while parents unwind nearby. Create joyful memories together in this delightful family-friendly oasis. The vibrant theater. Enjoy amazing performances and captivating shows that are perfect for a fun-filled family night. Stay fit at the gym, equipped with state-of-the-art machines for all your workout needs. The Spa Wellness Center is a haven of tranquility where relaxation meets rejuvenation. Our expert therapists offer a range of services, from soothing massages to revitalizing facials, designed to unwind your body and refresh your spirit. Experience luxurious treatments that combine traditional techniques with modern wellness practices. Whether you're looking for a peaceful escape or a full day of pampering, our serene ambience and attentive staff will ensure your experience is exceptional. Indulge in self-care and embrace the art of relaxation. Our accommodations are designed for your comfort. Choose from elegantly decorated rooms and suites, each offering stunning views of the sparkling turquoise Mediterranean or our lush, vibrant gardens. Enjoy modern amenities, plush bedding, and spacious balconies, providing the perfect setting to unwind after a day of excitement. With luxurious features and attentive room service, every detail is crafted to make your stay exceptional. Our spacious layout guarantees the privacy you deserve, while the serene ambience invites you to relax and linger a little longer. Indulge in a refreshing shower or relaxing soak and feel the stress melt away. Your comfort is our priority. Enjoy every moment. Step outside to this stunning terrace where inviting loungers await, perfect for basking in the sun. Imagine relaxing here with the sparkling blue sea stretching out before you, creating an idyllic backdrop for your getaway. With a variety of dining options, indulge in exquisite cuisines from around the world. Savor delicious buffet spreads, a la carte specialties, and themed dinners that cater to every palate. From casual bistros to elegant restaurants, each venue offers a unique atmosphere for a memorable dining experience. As the sun sets, the park transforms into a dazzling wonderland, filled with twinkling lights and joyful laughter. Children can explore fun rides and attractions, from charming carousels to thrilling mini coasters, all while enjoying the cool evening breeze. Delight in playful games and interactive experiences. Perfect for family bonding. Capture unforgettable memories as you stroll through the enchanting atmosphere where excitement and wonder come to life after dark. Make your night truly special at our beloved amusement park. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Hotel Delphin Diva Premiere. We hope you've enjoyed exploring our luxurious accommodations, diverse dining options, and relaxing spa wellness center. Whether you seek adventure on our beautiful beaches, family fun at our mini amusement park, or peaceful moments by the pool, we have something for everyone. At Hotel Delphin Diva Premiere, every detail is designed to make your stay unforgettable and help you create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more breathtaking hotel reviews and travel tips.